is the honeybee one. Today I am making a Wildflower honey soap, oatmeal soap with real Vermont honey. And then I just want to show you my sketch here. And this is from my yearly planner, and this just helps to plan out how I'm going to actually design this soap. And so I have my Rose Embeds right here. This is what I want it to look like. I need to make, and this is great because I'm going to use this in future soaps. So it's really nice to have something like this that you can plan, and you can actually draw your designs that you want to have for your soaps, and then if they sell really well, you can always make them again. So that's why it's really nice to have something like this for future uses that you can use in your business, or if you just want to make it for yourself. Honeycomb imprint reinforces the fragrance theme of this handmade soap. And when you're building a product line, contrast really does matter. So this is one of the ones that is meant to draw the eye from across the shelf, and it certainly does. And here I'm just going to whisk that in. That's my oatmeal, Kaleido oats. Consistency across my product line. It's a really nice base that I use because it really does help to actually hold the scent. Predictable performance is more important than constantly changing your formulas. Here, Wildflower honey, and that's what I'm going to use over here. So this magenta can look flat if it's ungelled, and that's why it's really important to sometimes, not always, but gel your soaps. And this is one of the reasons I force gel, especially in this design. It deepens the vibrancy and gives me that polished finish look, and you'll see that it gives it a nice sheen. Forced gel, what I do is actually place it in my oven and I put the oven light on, and this without insulating it, so that's without wrapping any towels around it. And what that does is it helps to force gel without overheating or burning the soap, and that's really important. It should be okay because on the bottom I made it kind of rough so it would sit a little bit better. So let's give this one a whirl. It's okay if it oozes. I just want to make sure it adheres right in there. So it's perfect. Okay, that's all set. And that'll set up a little bit more. And then these are my little, here, these are little honeycomb soaps, and I have my Rose Embed, and I just placed it right between the two honeybees. And I should be able to, and I just have to go slow. So the planner that I referenced earlier really does help me plan out my year and my designs. This is the honeybee one. See, it did the little rose embed. These came out perfect. They pop out so easy. These came out really nice. They smell wonderful. Nice wildflower honey scent. You can really smell the honey. It's not overpowering, it's just very subtle. Smells beautiful. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or leave a comment. What do you think of those little honeycomb soaps? They're cute. So the next video to watch is my oatmeal honey soap step-by-step for beginners, or if you didn't see the English rose honey soap, that's the next one to watch. All right, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.